Welcome back to another review. Today we're looking at the Blackweb 40-watt party Bluetooth speaker. I picked this up at Walmart for $60 on sale, and we're going to do a little small review on it. Okay, on this side you got the volume knob for the microphone. You can put a microphone in it. And this side is the master volume for your master overall up and down volume of the whole thing. And it's got a port up here. You can plug your phone in and charge it too if you're out and about. And it's the on button, the light button. You can change the lights on it. Keep it on that one, the rainbow one, I guess. You got the play and pause, forward and backward button. And it comes with the charging cable, and that just plugs in right here on the back of it. Charges fully in a couple hours, and it lasts up to 8 hours, constant playtime. So let's do a little sound test on this, see what it sounds like. Hear the same thing through the video, but it's not bad for 60 bucks if you just want to use it outside for a little small cookout or a party or whatever. It's not bad. I gave it a thumbs up for $60 at Walmart. It's not a bad deal. I'd say go ahead and pick one up if you're interested. And if you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this of cool gadgets and just anything I think is cool, I do a review on. If you like that kind of content, subscribe for more videos like this one. Until then,